Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tyler. This is Megan. I got your message about your sports bag, but I didn't understand all the details.
Hi, Megan. Thanks for calling. I'm still in the hospital recovering from my accident. So could you please help me by picking up my sports bag from school?
Of course, Tyler. Could you tell me more about it? What does your bag look like?
Sure. It's a blue sports bag, not like my old school bag, which was black and white. This bag is quite large and very sturdy. I bought it about 3 weeks ago, and it already needs a wash.
I see. And where did you leave it, Tyler? Can you remember the exact place at school?
I had it with me on the sports field during our practice, but after I had my accident, my friend Ryan took it to the classroom for safekeeping. I left it there when the ambulance took me to the hospital.
Okay, so the bag is in the classroom at the sports building then. Do you know which classroom it is?
Yes, it's in room 12 of the sports block. That room is near the entrance of the building. Please make sure to check that it's the correct bag. Remember, it's blue and has a small red logo on the front.
Got it. Blue bag with a red logo. Did you leave anything important inside it, Tyler?
Just my school uniform. I don't have my wallet, and I left my credit card and driver's license at home, so nothing too valuable. I usually carry about $30 in cash in there, but today I think I had only around $15.
Okay, that sounds manageable. I will go to school and look for room 12. Since you are in the hospital, do you want me to bring the bag directly to you?
Yes, please. I need it for my training session tomorrow morning. I'm planning to go home this afternoon. So can you deliver it this evening?
Let me check my schedule. I have classes until 4 p.m. today, but I can leave right after that. I should be able to bring it to the hospital by around 6:30 p.m. Would that work for you?
That would be perfect, Megan. I really appreciate your help. I'm a bit worried about missing my training if I don't have my bag.
Don't worry, Tyler. I understand how important your sports equipment is. By the way, can you tell me a little more about how you got injured?
Sure, it was after our football practice. We were running back to the changing rooms when I tripped and fell. I hurt my leg badly, and they had to take me to the hospital immediately.
Oh no, Tyler. I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope you are feeling better now.
Thank you, Megan. I'm still in pain, but the doctors say I should be okay with some rest and physical therapy. I really miss playing with my team.
I can imagine. It must be hard not being able to participate. But I'm glad you are getting the care you need. And at least your bag is safe at school, thanks to Ryan.
Yes. Ryan was kind enough to take it for me. I'm thankful for his help. Also, I want to mention that the bag is not very expensive. It was $40 when I bought it, but it has a lot of sentimental value because it was a gift from my coach.
I understand, Tyler. Sometimes the sentimental value is more important than the price. I'll make sure to take very good care of it when I bring it to you.
Thank you so much, Megan. Your help means a lot to me. I feel better knowing that someone reliable is taking care of this for me while I recover.
You're welcome, Tyler. I'll send you a text once I have picked it up from school. Do you have any special instructions about the bag? For example, should I try to wash it first or leave it as it is?
Please leave it as it is. I plan to wash it myself when I get home. The bag might be a bit dirty from being on the sports field, but that's okay.
All right, I'll make sure to keep it safe and dry until I deliver it to the hospital. Also, do you know if the classroom is locked? I might need a key or something.
Good point. The classroom is usually locked after school hours. Ryan mentioned that the teacher, Mr. Adams, has a spare key. I hope you can contact him if needed.
I'll call the school office if I can't get in. I'm sure Mr. Adams will help, since it is important to get your bag. Is there a phone number I can use for the school?
Yes, the main number is 555-9876. If you call, ask for Mr. Adams at room 12 in the sports building.
Great, I'll do that if needed. I just want to be sure everything goes smoothly.
Thank you, Megan. I know I can count on you. I'm planning to leave the hospital tomorrow morning for my training, so having my bag will help me feel prepared.
I understand, Tyler. I'll try to be as quick and careful as possible. I'll leave school at 4 p.m., and I expect to be done by 5:30 p.m. Then I can catch a taxi to the hospital.
That sounds perfect. The hospital is about 3 miles from the school, so it shouldn't take long by taxi.
Exactly, I will pay about $10 for the ride. It is a bit expensive, but it is important to get your bag delivered on time.
I appreciate that, Megan. Don't worry about the cost. I will reimburse you as soon as I'm home. Maybe I can give you $10 back tomorrow.
That's very kind of you, Tyler. I really just want to help out. And I know how much your training means to you.
Yes, I'm very serious about my sports. I want to get back on the field as soon as I can, and having my gear ready is part of that plan.
I completely understand. Your dedication to your sport is admirable. Even though you are in the hospital now, you are already planning for your future training.
Thank you, Megan. I'm doing my best to stay positive. I believe that with some rest and proper care, I will be back to training soon.
I'm sure you will, Tyler. And I'll make sure your sports bag is safe until you need it again. Is there anything else I should know about the bag?
Besides its color and the red sticker on the inside, not really. It is a very sturdy bag, and I use it every day for sports practice. I really like it because it reminds me of the early days of my football career.
That's nice, Tyler. I will look for a blue bag with a red sticker then. I'm sure I won't forget. I am a careful person, and I promise to handle it with care.
I know you will, Megan. I trust you completely. Also, if you see any other items, or if anything seems unusual, please call me immediately.
I will. I'll keep my phone with me at all times. Once I have the bag, I'll check that it has my school uniform inside, as you mentioned.
Yes, the bag should only contain my uniform and a few personal items. I never carry much money in it. I always keep my wallet in my backpack.
Understood. I'll make sure everything is in order. After I pick it up, I might take a short break for a snack, but I will be quick.
That's fine, Megan. I know you have a busy schedule too. If you run into any problems at school, like the classroom being locked, please call the school office using the number I gave you.
I will do that, Tyler. I'm really glad we could talk this through. It makes me feel confident about helping you out.
Thank you so much, Megan. Your help is very important to me. I really appreciate your kindness while I'm recovering.
You're very welcome, Tyler. I hope you feel better soon and can get back to your training. I'll update you as soon as I pick up the bag.
That would be great, Megan. I'm planning to be home tomorrow morning, so if you can bring the bag to the hospital by then, it will be perfect.
I will try my best to do that. I plan to leave the school by 5:30 p.m., then take a taxi to the hospital. I expect to arrive by 6:15 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works very well. I'll be waiting in my room and will call you if there is any change.
Perfect. Also, if you need anything else later, please let me know. Sometimes these situations can be stressful, and I want to help in any way I can.
Thank you, Megan. I appreciate that. Losing my bag was upsetting, but knowing that you're helping makes me feel much better.
I understand, Tyler. I remember when I lost my keys once, and it was a very stressful day. But with help from a friend, everything was resolved. I'm here to support you.
That's very kind of you, Megan. I am really grateful. I hope that after all this, I will have my bag back and be able to focus on my recovery and training.
I hope so too, Tyler. I will call you if I have any updates, and if you remember anything else that might help us locate the bag, please let me know.
I will, Megan. Thank you again for your help. I feel much less worried knowing someone like you is looking out for me.
It's no trouble at all, Tyler. I know how important your sports gear is for you, and I want to make sure you get it back safely.
I really appreciate it. I'll wait for your call tomorrow morning. Please remember to check carefully and let me know if you have any questions.
I will, Tyler. I've written down all the details. A blue sports bag with a red sticker inside. Lost around 9:15 a.m. near the main bus stop at the town center, and then taken to room 12 in the sports building by my friend Ryan. I'll be very careful.
That is perfect, Megan. Thank you for being so thorough. I know I can count on you.
You can, Tyler. I'll also keep an eye on my phone and email in case the school office calls with any news. I'll contact you as soon as I pick up your bag.
Thanks, Megan. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. I hope everything goes smoothly and my bag is safe.
I'm sure it will be, Tyler. In the meantime, try to rest and focus on your recovery. We will get through this together.
I will, Megan. Your support means a lot to me. I'm lucky to have a friend who cares enough to help in a difficult time.
I'm glad I can help, Tyler. I'll call you as soon as I have any news. Have a good day and take care while you rest.
Thank you, Megan. I appreciate your kindness. I'll be waiting for your update. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Tyler. I'll talk to you soon.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.